guys, welcome to Math Talk number 5. We are going to start with area, and all you need to do with area is count the square units. So when I point, make sure you pause. This is 28 units square, and that little 2 means that it's squared because we were counting actual squares. Make me 2 fact families from these 2 sets of numbers and pause. I hope that this is what you wrote. You can pause it again to check your answers if you want to. Write the number I say in standard and expanded form. 3,371. This is what you should have had in standard form. It's 3,371, 3,371. In expanded form, we stretch it out. So we have 3,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 1. Now I want you to write the fractions that represent each of these shapes. For example, this one is 1 part shaded over 2 parts total. Pause the video and do the next 2. Good job, everybody. This middle one is 1/3, and then the last one is 1/4 or 1/4. My next one is a time question. We started work at 2:55 and finished at 3 o'clock. How many minutes did we work for? Pause the video and solve. Okay, to solve this, you would have to have some basic knowledge about the time. Instead of 60, we put 00 for o'clock. So I went from 55 and I wanted to go to 60, which is what we say as o'clock. So that would be a new hour. So how many minutes passed? 55 to 56. 56 to 57, 57 to 58, 58 to 59, and then you're at a new hour. So how many minutes passed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 55 to 60, or from 55 to a new hour, it's 5 minutes. The next one is $9.01 minus $3.99. Pause the video. So what you need to do is first bring down your decimal sign and then bring down your dollar sign. 1 cannot take away from 9, and 0 is not enough to take from that. So you go over here, you take 1, then you bring back 10. Once you come back to your house, my goodness, you still don't have enough. So you're going to take 1 from your neighbor again and bring back 10. This always stumps a lot of third graders because you want to put a 10 here, but 1 plus 10 is 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. We've already put our decimal where it's supposed to be. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So $5.02. I had a bag of 84 peanuts. The squirrels ate 67 of them. How many are left? Pause the video and solve. I know that left means to subtract. So if I set it up and stack it up correctly, it's going to be 84 minus 67 because 84 is my larger number, obviously. 4 cannot take from 7. So I'm going to go over to my next door neighbor, take 1, and bring back 10. I know 14 minus 7 is 7 because that's one of my doubles that I know really well. And 7 minus 6 is 1. How would I label my answer? I have 17 peanuts. I can't fit it on here. Peanuts left. Because when I am writing a word or when I'm solving a word problem, my answer needs to be clear and it needs to have a label. And this is our last one of the day. I have 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and a quarter. Do I have enough to buy a $1 soda from the concession stand? Pause and solve. So what I did was I drew up my coins. I did 10, 10, 10. I recognized that 5 and 5 is a 10. And I broke up 25 into 20 plus 5 because 20 is just two tens. So I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. 65. That is a really bad 5. I'm sorry. 5 cents. Do I have enough to buy a $1 soda? The answer is no, I do not. All right, I hope you enjoyed our math talk today. I will see you again on Monday for another math talk. All right, bye guys.